What up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Neo, and today I'm just going to give you an update for the master bathroom. So let's go ahead and flip the camera. All right, now we're coming into the master bathroom. So as you can see here, this is where all the walls are already put up. And as we enter, the vanity will be installed there, and I'm going to add a shelf and up to the ceiling. Maybe add a fan there. The tub is coming in soon. The PVC needs to be removed and installed right into the wall. And let's keep moving on. And yeah, this is the shower. This is what I wanted. The two shower heads down there. We already installed the cement board. Added the two benches. And I wanted to hide the shampoo and the soap, so I created those two shelves on both sides. Looking good, spacious enough. Oh yeah, I also added the plumbing for the handheld and the waterfall shower head. As you can see here, moving on over to the toilet. So the flooring's got to be removed, and I also wanted to add this secret compartment, but after I upload this video, it won't be secret anymore. So the light's going to be replaced. Let's see over here. Oh, this is where the fireplace used to be, so that wall is coming on. The hub is coming in today too. And I feel like I'm missing something. Yes, the light switch. So I added the light switch with the dimmer. So as you can see, the dims nicely. Those are the only two I installed for right now, but I'm still trying to figure out the placement for the other lights.
1 day later.
Alright, so today they did the waterproofing. This is what it looked like when you waterproof. As you can see here, that is where the drainage I bought. This is exactly what I want. I just need enough space for us to stand. The shower, looking good. Let's see, everything's waterproof inside. Yeah, there she is. We got the tub, so now they're fixing the tub where the drainage is going to be in. They still need to figure out the gas line, how to cap it up. Other than that, it's pretty good. They did add the outlet here for the mirror, and they added another plug right here, which is nice. So that's good. Looking good. It's coming back together.